Hi there, planner friends. This is Kathleen Baber with Apricot Tree Planning, and this is just a little kit preview. I have this in a Recollections planner, which mimics the same size as an Erin Condren planner. This is the baseball kit. It's making an appearance again this year because I just love it, and it's really all spring and summer is about baseball if you're a big fan. I enjoy watching the minor league games in our area, and I hope I get to go to one this year when everything kind of normalizes again. My dad was a huge Yankees fan and passed that on to us kids, even though we grew up in Ohio with the Cincinnati Reds being our local team, which I love too. So anyhow, that little full box there that says there's no crying in baseball, I actually came in on the end of A League of Their Own the other night and just bawled my eyes out because it just struck me that those were my grandmother's peers. And she's no longer with us, but just, I don't know, there was just something about it in that moment just made me miss her so much. So that's my sappy story about this kit. But I hope you like it, and it's available for happy planners in the leafy treetop planners, and I also do a little TN kit that's great for traveler's notebooks or mini happy planners. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you later.